Welcome to Smokey's Grime Files, and on this one, I believe H is the one that passed this to me. It's DWE's Boiler Room set. Yeah, I'm just kind of just running through joints right now. I seen this one's right here. I heard that Pied Piper beat, and I was like, oh yeah, what the fuck's he gonna do on here? So I want to check this out. If you could, please hit that like and that subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into this one. See if it's any good.
Oh my god! Bloco. Oh my god! Yo! But I'm that lyrical father. Name an MC that's bit harder than Murray and my partner. Cause Murray and my partner ain't got time for mucking around. Don't wanna make time to take a down. Getting about, man, getting around, man, getting even, man. Addicted to the sound like Brian. Addicted to the sound like crack in the torso now. It's for the pack. Dirty stank, I'll move for the back. If a boy try to, I'll put it back. I'm busters, I'm master with the beginning, make come and eat my dust. I'm a deep pound of your face fast. Such a deep with the back, with the back. That street fighter fall with your fiddle call, man, the street fighter fall. Man, the bit up in the gates of the wall. We got mash like gates of the... Jesus.
Perfect.
Ooh. Dirty tea. That's Riri. But the buck. If it's me, you're mad at. You get scarred just like Saga. She fighting, that's what I'm bad at. My team's working. Jesus. But the buck. If it's me, you're mad at. You get scarred just like Saga. She fighting, that's what I'm bad at. My team's working perfect. I come through in a beat up Honda. Give me 100 slaps like Honda. See with the mic and me riding with him, cause I spit the fire just like thou see him. I'm a lyrical invader, climbing to the top just like Vega. You feel me, nobody can save ya. On the mic, man, I way too major. Shocking them teeth like Blanca. I got money in the bank, I'm a banker. You got money in the bank, you're a wanker. But cause with a hook like bull rock, get the razor jumping like a bullshot. I'm doing it for more than a while. In the game of my soldier like I do. So, cause the big like Frankie, don't put you together like it. You don't wanna get into no big man B. I'm here, if you wanna live a hook. Check it with the man on the microphone, back to the phone. Listen to my lyrical tone in the microphone. Come on, back to the man on the microphone, back to the back to the bone. Listen to my lyrical tone. Listen to my, cause I think I need pen and paper. We get hands up in the book.
Hey, this section is mental.
So no big man B, I'm here. If you wanna live a hook.
I'm not gonna lie, I heard this, whatever them horns were, I was like, oh my god, man. Like, I was enjoying that Street Fighter shit. Why we had to come with this bullshit? What are we doing? I was just like, man. And then he starts doing this other shit. Oh, this shit is crazy.
Don't put you together like it. You don't wanna get into no big man B. I'm here. If you wanna live a hook. Check it with the man on the microphone, back to the bone. Listen to my lyrical tone in the microphone. Come on, back to the man on the microphone, back to the back to the bone. Listen to my lyrical tone. Listen to my, cause I think I need pen and paper. We get hands up in the book. See your big boy, cause you got a beer. Bullets will make your face look weird. Jump in the mouth, you need to disappear. Glass, head up on the dash, leave a fat gas. Take your dash of cash. Next time don't have flash and let me get rid of the drop on the map. Be your big boy, cause you got a tap. Bullets will catch your face like a rat. Drop on the mash in the flash. Everybody scat like a rave, got gas, come out and know, just like a car crash. Love get taken away like jazz when it comes to the cash. Down to gotta get a mash. Too many haters are looking to last my stash up. Cause they're broken bristles, just that smoking ash. After that they ain't got no gas. So they put on
So they put on gloves and masks.
Yeah, mash. Too many haters are looking to last my stash up. Cause they're broken bristles, just that smoking ash. After that they ain't got no gas. So they put on skin love.
What's that shit? That meter rap? That shit was cool.
Skin love. Mess with me again, then I'll put your life to an end. You end up in the river like dirty then. Draw for this game for you and your friend. So I recommend you and your friends should think again, because if I see you you in the ends again. This time it might really end. It's me again, mess with me again, and I'll put your life away. Let you say again. Blood clot. Think you can come again. I. Then bullets will fly like birds in the sky. He won your breath into the eye. Let's have it try before the and bang. Think about it, man. You don't want a whole couple shot for man. You don't want to look far from bad man. Can't you ready for the dangle? Head get mangled and dangled to the side of the cycle where my can go. Now when someone on the like a bang. Try to me to get my hand. I got.
Come on now.
Wanna look far from bad man, can't you ready for the dangle? Head get mangled and dangled to the side of the cycle where my can go. Now when someone on the like a bang. Try to me to get my hand. I got the bullets I like to mingle on road. Becky in the North Shore. And if you try to come to the table, find my tip from an rectangle. Bullets a flying diagonal. John, yeah, you do it, I'm in the cold.
And whatever that beat was that came in there, that shit sounds crazy.
From an rectangle. Bullets a flying diagonal. John, yeah, you do it, I'm in the cold.
Hey, I've watched probably like 3-4 D-double videos tonight. You guys win. It makes sense. That nigga's cold. He's cold in a completely different way, but he's cold. I give you that. I get it at this point. I get it. Well, I'm not gonna. We for sure still keep checking the D-double shit out. It's just more so like I get it. You guys win. I got it. I understand. But yeah, thank you to, I believe Aegis who gave me this one. But yeah, if you made it all the way through the end of this one, thank you for rocking with me. If you could, please hit that like and that subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, that's going to be it. I'm out of here. D-double.